Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida. And what do we have today? Well, we got something kind of new. Now, as you know, we're kind of famous for making roll bars slash sport bars work with covers. Now, a lot of times they say they don't go together like cats and dogs and stuff like that, but we do make it work here. And today is another perfect example of a sport bar with a great looking cover. But before we get started, you know you're gonna like the video. Stop what you're doing. Like it now, get it out of the way. Don't wait till the end of the video. Do it right now and subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna wait. Okay, good. By the way, if you have questions, that is my telephone number there. Best thing to do is call the store, because a lot of stuff you're gonna see, they're gonna say online these do not work together, but from the video you're gonna say, oh, they do work together. Best thing to do is call us. You need to order this stuff. So that being said, come on around here. We got a Ram TRX. This is the bad boy. You know, it's one of my favorite trucks out there. Boy, does that look. Get that camera. Look how nice everything is on this truck. Now, as you can see, there's the Rhino 2.0 Sport Bar on there. And this is the Retax EQ, which is the top of the line rolling cover out there. Works with the remote from your key fob. Also works with, I believe it works with an app as well. Now, this is the one of the top of the line Sport Bars from Rhino. You can add lights to it, and they'll go up and down, which is nice in case you need clearance. This will cover it, and they'll get it, drop down. So let's take a good look. How did we put it on here? Now, original plan was to use the T-slot in here. Unfortunately, we thought we can push it in enough where we can put it right on here, and didn't work. So we had to go plan B. So we said, do we have enough bed cap here to attach it to the sides? And if you come around here, you'll see we have plenty of room in there. We were actually bolted in to the bed cap here. So, and it's in there really well. Now let's go take a look. Let's see. Once you see how secure this is here, it's not going anywhere. Now, it's not a traditional roll bar because that has to be attached to the frame. This is a sport bar. So this is more for looks, but it is a good looking sport bar. And of course, with the EQ, let's go ahead and open that up here. So there we go. And again, this one does work with your remote, which is quite nice. And everything works together, and that's the most important thing here. You got your roll bar here, and we were able to make it work with this setup here. I think it looks terrific. I mean, of course, I'm biased. I love these trucks. I think they're great. I have Ram myself, and I do like roll bars. As you can see, even Buddy has a roll bar on his truck with the cover as well. You probably can look at some of our videos, and you'll see that we have quite a few videos of these things together. So if you like this setup, we can do it for you. Now, I know when we did this one for the customer, I probably charged not enough because it took longer to do it than expected. But he's a nice guy, and he has a nice truck, so we're good with it. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and this is a review of a Rhino Sport Bar 2.0 with the Retax EQ on a Ram TRX. You know, I love that thing. And again, if you like what you see, hit the like button. I already asked you, but do it again. And subscribe to the channel. And again, we can ship this anywhere in the country, but if you want this setup done, gotta come here. Thanks.